This is the KitchenAid mini food processor that's 830 mLs, 240 watts. It comes with a BPA free bowl. This is the lid here. The lid comes with a drizzled bowl here where you can add either oils or maybe some seasoning. Then here, this is the power, which is also the pulse button. On the inside, it has the multi-purpose stainless steel blade. And then this is the bowl. To remove it, you just turn it and just lift it. Make sure the appliance is switched off when you're removing these parts. Then you just put back your blade like that, and then your lid. Make sure the lid is also well locked. If it's not locked perfectly, then the appliance won't switch off. This is the speed setting button. You have speed setting number 1 and speed setting number 2. Number 1 is for chopping, number 2 is for puree. And for fruits, meats, vegetables, you have to first slice them in about 2.5 centimeter slices. Then you switch it on. And, you press that. That's the on. This is where you just turn it to set the speed. For cleaning, you just easily remove the bowl. It's dishwasher safe, but on the top rack, or you can just wash it with some warm soapy water. For the base, you just wipe it with a damp cloth. And also for easy storage, it has this part down here where you can just wrap the cable around it.